जय श्री राम। श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारी, बरनउँ रघुबर विमल जस जो दायक फलचारी। Having polished the mirror of my heart with the dust of my Guru's lotus feet, I recite the divine fame of the greatest king of the Gokul dynasty, which bestows us with the fruit of all the four efforts: dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार, बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरु कलेश विकार। Knowing that this mind of mine has less intelligence, I remember the son of wind, who, granting me strength, wisdom, and all kinds of knowledge, removes all my suffering and shortcomings. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहुँ लोक उजागर। Victory to Lord Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue. Victory to the Lord who is supreme among the monkeys, illuminator of the three worlds. Ramadura Atulita Valdhama, Anjani Putra Pavan Satanama. You are Lord Rama's emissary, the abode of matchless power, Mother Anjani's son, and also popular as son of wind. Mahavir Vikaram Bajarangi, Komati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi. Great hero, you are as mighty as thunderbolt. You remove evil intellect and are the companion of those having good ones. Kanchana Baran Biraj Subesa, Kanan Kundala Kunchit Kesa. Your skin is golden in color and you are adorned with beautiful clothes. You have adorning earrings in your ears and your hair is curly and thick. हाथ ब्रज और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे. In your hands sign a mace and a flag of righteousness. A sacred thread adorns your right shoulder. शंकर स्वयं केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन. You are the embodiment of Lord Shiva and Vanaraj Kesari's son. There is no limit or end to your glory, your magnificence. The whole universe worships you. विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर. You are the wisest of the wise, virtuous and morally clever. You are always eager to do Lord Rama's work. प्रभु चरित सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया. You feel extremely delighted in listening to Lord Rama's doings and conduct. Lord Rama, Mother Sita and Lord Lakshmana dwell forever in your heart. सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सिंहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंका जरावा. Taking the subtle form, you appeared in front of Mother Sita, and taking the formidable form, you burned the Lanka, Ravana's kingdom. भीम रूप धरि असुर सहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे. Taking the massive form, like that of a Bhima, you slaughtered the demons. This is how you completed Lord Rama's task successfully. लाए सजीवनी लखन जी आए, श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए. Bringing the magic herb Sanjeevani, you revived Lord Lakshmana. रघुपति किन्हीं ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही संभाई. Raghupati Lord Rama praised you greatly and overflowing in gratitude said that you are a dear brother to him just as Bharat is. सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे, अस कहीं श्रीपति कंठ लगावे. Saying this, Lord Rama drew you to himself and embraced you. Sages like Sanaka, gods like Brahma and sages like Narada, and even the 1,000-mouthed serpent sing your fame. Sankadik Brahmadi Munisa, Narada Sarada Sahita Ahisa. Sanak, Sanadan and the other rishis and great saints, Brahma, the god, Narada, Saraswati, the mother divine, and the king of serpents sing your glory. जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाँ ते, कवि को विद कहीं सके कहाँ ते. Yam, Kubera and the guardians of the four quarters, poets and scholars, none can express your glory. तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दिन्हा. You helped Sugriv by introducing him to Lord Rama and regaining his crown. Therefore, You gave him kingship, the dignity of being called a king. तुम दो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना. Likewise, complying with your preachings, even Vibhishana became the king of Lanka. जुग सहस्र योजन पर भानु, लिल्योताहि मधुर फल जानु. You swallowed the sun, located thousands of miles away, mistaking it to be a sweet red fruit. प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माहि, जल्दी लागी गए अचरज नाही. Keeping the ring in your mouth, which was given to you by Lord Rama, you crossed over the ocean to no astonishment whatsoever. दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम रहते थे. All difficult tasks of this world become easy with your grace. राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे. You are the guardians at Lord Rama's door. Nobody can move forward without your permission, which means that Lord Rama's darshans to get the sight of are possible only with your blessings. सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. Those who take refuge in you find all the comforts and happiness. When we have a protector like you, we do not need to get scared of anybody or anything. आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपे. You alone can withstand your magnificence. All the three worlds start trembling at one roar of yours. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. O Mahavir, no ghosts or evil spirits come near the ones who remember your name. Therefore, just remembering your name does everything. नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. O Hanuman, all diseases and all kinds of pain get eradicated when one recites or chants your name. Therefore, chanting your name regularly is considered to be very significant. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे. Whoever meditates upon or worships you with thought, word and deed gets freedom from all kinds of crises and afflictions. सब पर राम राय सिर ताजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. Lord Ram is the greatest ascetics among all the kings. But it's only you who carried out all the tasks of Lord Sri Rama. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे. One who comes to you with any longing or a sincere desire obtains the abundance of the manifested fruit which remains undying throughout life. चारों युग पर ताप तुम्हारा है, प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. Your splendor fills all the four ages and your glory is renowned throughout the world. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. You are the guardians of saints and sages, the destroyer of demons and adored by Lord Rama. अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता, अजवर दिन जानकी माता. You have been blessed by Mother Janki to give boon further to the deserving ones, wherein you can grant the siddhis 8 different powers and nidhis 9 different kinds of wealth. राम रसायन तुमरे पासा, सादर हो रघुपति के दासा. You have the essence of Ram Bhakti. May you always remain the humble and devoted servant of Raghupati. तुम्हे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे. When one sings your praise, your name, he gets to meet Lord Rama and finds relief from the sorrows of many lifetimes. अंत काल रघुबर पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई. By your grace, one will go to the immortal abode of Lord Rama after death and remain devoted to him. और देवता चितना धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई. It is not needed to serve any other deity or god. Service to Lord Hanuman gives all the comforts. संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा. All troubles cease for the ones who remembers the powerful Lord. Lord Hanuman and all his pains also come to an end. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई. O Lord Hanuman, praise and glory to you, O mighty Lord. Please bestow your grace as our Supreme Guru. यह सतबाद पाठ कर कोई छूट ही बंदी महास कोई. One who recites this Chalisa 100 times is released from all the bondages and will attain great bliss. जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होए सिद्ध साखी गौरी सा. One who reads and recites this Hanuman Chalisa, all his works get accomplished. Lord Shiva himself is the witness to it. तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा कीजे नाथ हृदय महडेरा. O Lord Hanuman, may I always remain a servant, a devotee to Lord Sri Ram, says Tulsidas, and may you always reside in my heart. पवन तनय संकट हरन मंगल मूर्ति रूप. राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभूप. O the son of wind, you are the destroyer of all the sorrows. You are the embodiment of fortune and prosperity. With Lord Rama, Lakshmana and Mother Sita, dwell in my heart always. Jai Shri Ram.